Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a day in my life vlog. So it is going to be a bit different video as I actually went to the mall after quite a long time. So I thought to vlog the whole entire day. So here we are off from our home and the mall was a bit far, you can say like a 45-minute drive from our place. So we don't really have an objective to go to the mall, like we just thought to get off from work for a day and just enjoy. So that's the reason why we are going there. Like we don't have any plans, like what do we exactly have to shop from there. We might not even get anything, but just for fun. So I really love this road, like the vibe it gives, like it's such a large road, you can say. And yeah, the way how clean it is, and I actually went to this road after quite a long while. And to be honest, I didn't visit any malls since the second wave of COVID, so it's been quite a time since I haven't visited a mall. So it was a really great experience for me to go there after such a long time. So yeah, now you guys can enjoy the car ride.
Starting to think I like being stuck. 'Cause if you look at the ceiling, my favorite part's the sky cut off. I don't wanna realize how far away I am from heaven.
So that's the mall where we have to go, and I really love this mall so much. Like the total vibe of this place is just so good. It gives such a relaxing kind of a feeling to me. So here we are going in there, and it was actually not allowed to film inside. So yeah, I didn't film further here, but now we are in the parking and we are going to the mall. So now we are currently at the Zara store. I just love this store so much. Like all those jeans which they have are so good, like all the high waist jeans. So I really love it. And here's my mom trying out some perfumes because perfumes from Zara are so good. Like their fragrance is so amazing. And I love this escalator so much. Like how cute this is. Like such a small escalator. And now we are at the second floor of the same store, and yeah, we were just doing some window shopping, looking at what all new had arrived. And now I'm at my favorite store, that's Miniso. So all those soft toys are just so cute and soft, you can say. I love this place so much. Like they have such cute things, like you won't even realize that you actually require such things, but they have each and everything of it. So I really love what all they have here. And now we are at Levi's looking out for some shirts for my dad. And yeah, like my mom was even looking for some jeans for her. And now we are at this store. I don't really remember the name, but it had all those kind of handcrafted stuff. Like it was a bit, a colorful store. And then we decided to go up to the next floor, and that's the view of the Grand Mall and how beautiful it looks. Like all those lights and the Diwali decoration, all were just so beautiful. And now we are going up.
It's not. Even if I were good, I can't seem to remember.
So now we are up at this floor where we have the home center and all those things. And as I was quite hungry, so we decided to pack up some donuts. So we got this pack of six, and I chose all of my favorite donuts, which are maximum the chocolate donuts, because I love chocolate. So I can't help resist myself from getting it. And now we are at the home center. I really love this store because like it has different sections for different color sets, like in case you want to get anything for your house. Like this is such a perfect place for it. And now I'm still hungry because I didn't have my donuts. I thought to have them once I reach home. So we went to KFC and got some burger. We got two burgers, like both were those chicken zingers, I think. And oh my god, that burger was so huge. I totally didn't expected it to be that big. Like yeah, like one burger is more than enough for a person to fill their tummy from the top. And then we went to Kevin Stores and ordered two milkshakes. One, I guess we ordered the Belgium chocolate, and one was the mocha, I guess. Like I really don't remember the name, but one was Belgium and one was mocha. I ordered Belgium and my mom wanted to change her taste, so like mocha. But like overall, they both almost tasted the same. But I loved the Belgian more because obviously it contained more chocolate. So yeah, there is no choice between a chocolate and something else. So here I am trying it. I didn't at all have the patience to even put the straw, so I just started to drink it, and then it was quite cold. And like just before Diwali, I had some cold. I mean, I had a sore throat, but I totally forgot that, and I started to try all the sort of milkshakes and the cold stuff, and then I actually ended up coughing so bad. But then yeah, it was fine in a day. But yeah, that's what it is. Now I'm telling my mom, like, you know what, my tastes better. So I gave this back to her, and then I took back mine, and yeah, I started to drink it again. Now we actually planned to go to the Dorabji store, but then we thought that it was quite late, so we just looked at it from outside, and it was quite crowded as well. So we decided to go back home, and all the social distancing norms were followed so well. Like we had these buttons which you click from your foot itself. And yeah, now we went back home. So I guess I'll end this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed. In case you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and comment down below what your favorite part in my video was. Till then, stay safe and keep watching.